Hello, my lovelies. We are on our very last day that we are going to talk about weather. And sorry, guys, I'm pulling up my weather app. We are going to finish our weather log and we're going to do some graphs that go with it. So if you're watching this video, I am going to do the assignment with you today. You just have to kind of put in your own information. So your assignment's going to be basically done after this video. So let's go ahead and start with Friday. I'm going to go ahead and draw my lines. You don't have to have lines, but I like it because otherwise I am not very neat. Okay. There we go. Okay. So I am still doing Azle, Texas. If you're doing something else, you need to write in your information. If I take a look at the weather, I noticed that today, for Friday, it says Friday is 57. So our temperature drops a little bit. So Friday, we're going to put 57 degrees Fahrenheit. Whoops. And I want you to tell me what it feels like today. What does it feel like? Just like I said, today, just like my prediction said, today is cold and it's windy outside. Man, I almost got blew over when I was coming to work this morning. For clothing, clearly I'm wearing a big jacket. I think you need, or long sleeves, like warm clothes. And then for your prediction, I want you to predict what next week will be like. I'm hoping next week is sunny and warm. Actually, I'm not going to say warm because I don't think it's going to be warm. I actually think it's going to be sunny and hopefully just chilly, not cold. That's my prediction for next week. So again, tell me, it's Azle, the temperature. What do you think today feels like? Your answer does not have to be the same as mine. What clothing should I be wearing right now? And what's your prediction for next week? Okay, so now that we have this information, I want you to get out a piece of paper. I am going to use a blank piece of paper, but you can use lined paper if you would like. I'm just going to use a blank one. We're going to make two graphs. So at the top of your paper, I want you to write weather graphs. And I want you to first, we're going to do a frequency table. So write frequency table. And then down here, I want you to write stem and leaf plot. I hope that you remember these and you kind of remember what they look like and what we're looking for. But for our frequency table, we're actually going to do how many days it was cold, sunny, windy, rainy, whatever. So I am going to put weather, and I want you to do the same. Draw a line. I want you to put tallies. Draw a line, and I want you to put frequency. So if I take a look, actually, first of all, we're going to put sunny on the first one, windy, cloudy, sunny, windy, cloudy. I guess. Sunny. What's another one we can do? Sunny. Oh, rainy. Whoops. Sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy. Okay. So now we're going to take a look at our weather table. To this day, we said it was cloudy. So I'm going to put a tally for cloudy. This day, we said it was sunny. So I'm going to put a tally for sunny. This day, we said it was sunny again. I'm going to put another tally for sunny. And finally, today we said it was windy. So I'm going to put a tally for windy. So we never even said rainy. So my frequency would be 2, 1, 1, 0. So there's our frequency table over the different types of weather. And I want you to make yours. If you did a different place than Azel, yours might look a little different, and that is okay. As long as you have kind of the same weather over here, and then you can put your information. So now we're going to use these 4 numbers to make a stem and leaf plot. So we have 50s and 60s, right? That's about where our weather was this week. So first I want you to write stem and leaf. Now your weather might be different than mine. You might not have written the same temperature. You might have done your own. So over off to the side, I want you to just draw like a cloud. And I want you to write all of the temperatures that you have. And I'm going to put mine into 2 groups, the 50s and the 60s. Maybe you have 40s, 50s, 60s. Put them into groups based off their tens place. I hope y'all remember doing this. You should only have 4 temperatures, though. So now that I have my 2 groups, I'm going to just do my stem and my leaf. So your stem, if you are just doing exactly what I do, you're not going off on your own, you're not doing your own thing, you're just copying off of me. Your stem, remember, is your tens place. So we have a 5 and we have a 6, right? And your leaf, you list out every single one of your ones place. So for 5s, I have a 5 and a 7. And for 6, I have 2 2s. So this is how you can do graphs with weather. You can do the how the weather is, sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy. You can do the temperatures. If we did this for a longer period of time, we could graph this forever, however many days that we wanted to. All right, so what I want you to do is this weather graphs, those should be done. So you have 2 parts that you're going to have to turn in today. You can either put them side by side and take a picture of them, or you can submit 2 different pictures. That's fine. But I need a picture of your completed weather log, and I need a picture of your graphs that we just did together, where we made our frequency table and we made our stem and leaf plot. All right, guys, that was a short, sweet, to the point science video today. And now you know how to put your weather into a graph. I love y'all. Have a great day.